So for some final thoughts, I think it's worth mentioning that there's a lot of stuff on the horizon that are coming to iOS and iPadOS. First of those, HTTP3, which is enableable in iOS 14 through the developer options. It'll only affect URL session connections. You can also enable it in Safari through the experimental mode. So that is going to probably be defaulted in the next version of iOS. Even bigger than that is Apple is working with the IETF on a TLS encrypted handshake standard. This is really interesting for a lot of reasons. For those of you who are in like the security mindset, who do like man-in-the-middle testing and network testing and a lot of that client-side network handling testing, this could be a real like a real big change for iOS. Again, it's not even written yet. It's a standard that's being created. This might not be done for multiple years. It could be done next year. You don't know. That's the thing with these standards. They take time to create, write out, and actually get implemented. And we even don't know how that could be implemented. But it'll be interesting, and it's something to keep an eye out for. Because one day you might wake up and you'll see, hey, there's a TOS encrypted handshake standard that's being pushed by everyone. And it'll be that. So keep your eye open. I think the final thing worth pondering about is this device check framework really has changed what Apple normally does. I think the fact that there's an anti-tamper framework now in the SDK kind of tells you that the next logical step would be a jailbreak detection framework or a device health framework. I think that's a prerequisite for entering the EMM space, and I think Apple, like anyone else, is going to try to make that as easy for enterprises as possible. But I do think having that in is a prerequisite. So don't be surprised if in the next version or the version after that, there is a Apple jailbreak detection framework or device health framework or just some framework that gets extended from the anti-tamper framework. I think that's a real great possibility. I hope you found this video really useful. We have some links that'll be helpful if you're trying to dig into these issues and kind of start creating roadmaps for where you want to go with things. I know these things aren't always simple, and I hope this video was useful. I'm very thankful that you watched through it. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for your time.